So they say, heavy is the head that wears the crown. That with the ability to influence comes a burden, a worry not felt by the masses. But power, like anything, has its costs, and I don't disagree. But I can't help wondering what value lies in the alternative. Today is our empire, each action our subjects, and we rule this kingdom with an iron fist because it is ours. And as leaders of fire, we won't let our lives be dictated by foreign aggressors. We are kings, not because of the crown on our heads, but because of the life that we lead. Because when we govern our own beliefs and expectations, we bow to no man. Our thoughts are loyal, and our decisions comprise the greatest army this world has ever seen before. And unless we say otherwise, it will conquer to the ends of the earth. This world is simple. Rule or be ruled. Do or wish, act or hope. It's always easier to be the subject, to be directed, to take orders, to complain about the decisions made up the chain of command. But easy will never change our lives, will it? Heavy is the head that wears the crown. Because to have control is to take on risk. It's dangerous. It's vulnerable. But you'd be hard-pressed to find another leader who didn't want to be king or queen, who didn't envy the crown. Because it wasn't a matter of desire. It was a matter of courage. Everyone has a crown at their feet. Everyone. The question is, will we pick it up? No decision is more consequential than the decision to take control, to rule over your life. The universe doesn't control us, it empowers us. And too many people complain about being locked inside of a room of limitation when they have a key in one hand and a map in the other. No one can make you take the first step. No one can push you out your door. Potential is never guaranteed to materialize, but royalty must decide to rule, to differentiate yourselves from everything else, from excuses, the difficulty, and the odds. Reign over your life and conquer the unconquerable. Be brave enough to take up your crown. There's territory to conquer.
Follow Leaders of Fire on LinkedIn.